Thanks to modern machines, lifting heavy loads is no longer a problem. With the help of various cranes, you can move any object from one place to another. For example, in this video, we can see how successfully a crawler crane and a telescopic crane work. To pull a derailed and damaged train out of a river. We should also mention flat deck/extendable semi-trailers, which are the best way to move loads on the road. Here we have a Bromberg car baler, which is an easily transportable car baler. The baler produces high-density bales ferrous and non-ferrous scrap metal, as well as ELV and car scrap. It can compact unusable cars into small metal bales for storage, transport, or preparation for recycling. Introducing Motocut pile cutters, a new era for cutting concrete or steel piles and pipes. They cut quickly, safely, efficiently, and without compromising on quality. All Motocut pile cutters are fully automated and operate from a safe distance in an isolated cabin. It doesn't cause dust, and there is no risk from falling piles during its use. A loader, heavy equipment machine, and a dump truck are the best duo in construction. As you can see, they control remotely, like most modern machines, which is very convenient and advantageous. Furthermore, this incredible duo is extremely versatile, you can use them as you see fit. To move or load materials such as soil, rock, sand, and so on to and from various locations. The scissors grab mechanical device from Amaze is used to pick things up, or to capture commodities ranging from iron ores to petroleum coke. The scissors grab have higher average productivity thanks to their fast opening and closing mechanisms and short cycle times. They can be customized to optimize your installation and are available with a safe working load of up to 100 metric tons. Almost all types of road can be maintained with the help of the HEN path maintenance system. The LTM 1650-8.1 is the largest crane ever and has been designed for maximum performance. The result is impressive. It is able to complete hoisting work in the 700-ton class or even higher with case. It travels with an axle load of 12 tons, complete with its 54-meter telescopic boom and the front supports. To minimize the setup time, however, the rear supports are installed as a complete support box and a single hoist and connected using quick-release couplings. Both dry and wet ditches can be cleaned with the HEMA's 1600V ditch cleaner. The moving disc of the 1600V may be adjusted, and it moves ditch dirt in the direction of the paddle wheel.